If you're running into a Beehiiv registration error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. Whether the issue is caused by a typo, a browser problem, or an extension interfering with the sign-up form, these simple checks can usually get you back on track in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. First, double-check your details. Make sure the email address you entered is valid and spelled correctly. Even a small typo can cause the registration form to fail or prevent the confirmation email from reaching you. If you're signing up to receive a newsletter, you also need to complete the double opt-in process. That means checking your inbox for a confirmation email and, just as importantly, looking in your spam or junk folder if you don't see it right away. Beehiiv often requires that extra confirmation step before the registration is fully completed, so don't skip it. If everything looks correct and you're still seeing an error, the next thing to try is clearing your browser data. Cached files and cookies can sometimes conflict with web forms and stop them from loading properly. To do this, open your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and clear your cache and cookies. Once that's done, refresh the page and try registering again. If the issue continues, browser extensions may be the problem. Ad blockers and other privacy tools can interfere with sign-up forms and prevent them from submitting correctly. A quick way to test this is by opening the Beehiiv registration page in an incognito or private window. This usually disables most extensions and gives you a clean browser session. If the form works in incognito mode, that's a strong sign that one of your regular browser extensions is causing the issue. In that case, try disabling extensions one by one until you find the one that's blocking the form. You can also try another browser entirely, just to confirm whether the problem is tied to your current setup. So, to recap, first verify your email and complete the double opt-in, then clear your browser cache and cookies, and finally test the sign-up page in an incognito window to rule out extension conflicts. These three fixes solve most Beehiiv registration errors without needing any complicated troubleshooting. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tech fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.